another.
You were in it. It's a tap.
Lendo. Bruno
Hi. Oh, careful.
And Cheryl, of course, they need your votes, so go to abc.com and put them in and call their number at 1-800-868-3408. Are you still living your best life?
Yes, of course.
Your best, Tom.
One freckle shy of perfection. Grocery store China and
We got freaked out.
Those two are coming up, and next, DeMarcus and Lindsay with a Hercules Charleston live.
She's not in relaxed mode.
What do you see?
This tooth is kind of soft.
Now, we're bringing
What
you
does
all the
like?
way to get what you need. Target run and done.
This teacup's kind of warm.
Think of the happiest things.
Yeah, but there's an ice cube in
It's
front
the
of it.
same as having wings. To the stars beyond the blue. There's a Neverland waiting for you. When you leave the world behind, you can fly. You can fly. You can fly.
There has seriously never been a better time to try our Sprint network.
Because right now, you can get unlimited for just $24 per month per line for 5 lines. It includes Hulu and a mobile hotspot.
We need to shout this deal from the rooftops.
Yeah.
You're gonna run out of memory.
Sprint's best deal.
No?
And it's all on a network built for unlimited.
Switch to Sprint Unlimited for just $24 per month per line for 5 lines. And for a limited time, get the LG V40 ThinQ for just $20 per month.
Dig into Banquet's new Mega Meat Lovers Pot Pie for a flaky crust packed with meatballs and pepperoni. Then dig deeper, because it's stuffed with mozzarella and a whopping 23 grams of protein.
It's anchored.
Now that's mega.
Right?
Ordinary tissues
Holding
with
on
the cruisen
by the tail.
and red. So Dad slayed the problem with Puffs Plus lotion instead. With lotion to soothe and softness to please, a nose in need deserves Puffs indeed.
Keep it clean with the Roomba Robot Vacuum. Only Roomba uses 2 multi-surface rubber brushes to clean all your floors. And with patented Dirt Detect technology, Roomba finds dirt throughout your home. If it's not for my robot, it's not a Roomba.
We've transformed this home to show the new
The tongue senses vibration, and the nose, they have poor vision. So, their tongue senses vibration, and the nose senses heat.
Let's get to it. Worthy Officer Nolan, once again, we start with you.
It's like it's going down,
He
baby, huh?
is a surefire hit.
Training on someone was going to require you to dig deep.
If you missed one of the false
Got a long ways to go.
and the masterfully charming Nathan Fillion.
You want to help everyone. That's why you joined the force.
Catch the premiere episode Encore next.
I want to give you a hug.
Do you want to get
Got the
tased?
YouTube.
And see it all new The Rookie tomorrow on ABC.
You hear me?
For Nevada citizens, the power of our vote guarantees our freedoms. Question 5 ensures eligible citizens are automatically registered to vote at the DMV
Sparkle.
with layers of
She's not
verification.
blinking.
You don't have to re-register if you move. For some, it's a small thing, but for the rural family living miles from the polls, it's meaningful. For the working parent who can't find enough hours in the day, it's a help. And for those who defend our freedom, it's powerful. Vote yes on question 5.
Phoebe doesn't care.
And I approve this message.
Phoebe doesn't care.
Spineless lie. Dean Heller voted against bipartisan immigration reform, and now he's lying about Jackie Rosen's record. The truth.
Giving her a bridge
Jackie
back to the
Rosen
couch.
was one of 11 Democrats who voted for the bill that made it easier for federal officials to detain and remove gang members. Jackie Rosen is working across party lines to secure our borders and fix our immigration system. Dean Heller is trying to win by dividing us.
I watched Dean Heller put politics before basic health care.
And now,
I'm not gonna let her hurt her though. I don't want her to hurt her.
But then Dean Heller voted to cut Medicare
Yeah,
by
don't
nearly
let the cat
$500
the
billion.
cat
We'll
will
not support legislation.
That's what they do.
I know.
He's ready to slide up.
Voted to cut Medicare when
She
promising
won't
not
slide
to.
out.
think Dean Heller cares
Huh?
more about his political party than
I'm gonna turn it off, the video off now.
Healthcare, Dean Heller caged to the special interests.
S&P
Thank you for being so entertaining tonight.
Put him away.